And my job is done. Ditas, it's yours.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. His Excellency just confirmed a short visit here in National City, just a pass through, you know, how this is for him to launch a book. So thank you all for coming, and I would like to thank Paradise Village. If you don't know yet, Paradise Village is you will live in paradise, right, Laura? Yeah. Laura is the marketing director of the place. This is its third year, and you know, I mean, it's a wonderful place, and so we would like to thank them very much for hosting His Excellency for his visit here in National City. And thank you all for coming, and ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency, former President Fidel Ramos.
Thank you, Ditas. Thank you, Glenn. Thank you, everybody, for being here and for arranging Paradise Valley. This may be paradise, but I think we're still all alive, no? Patay dito. Kaya, do not call me Your Excellency. Call me Mr. X. Express Phil. Express Phil. Baliktarin mo. Turn it around. Philippine Express. Go, go, go. X for me is the better term because I am X but not yet excess. X but not yet expired. X not yet exhumed. X but now X3. But this is how we should be. Dear friends, fellow veterans, and ladies, and children and grandchildren, to make the most of it while we're still around. Now, Mr. Mayor.
Mr. Mayor.
You're just in time. We have a small delegation traveling around for many purposes. And the book launch is just one of them. But really, the main thing to me is to meet and dialogue with the Filipino-American communities all throughout the U.S. On this trip, which is taking 70 days for us, away from Manila, we had to crisscross the U.S. twice, just to meet some schedules. But we are now on our last leg through San Diego, and then tomorrow in LA, then we take off for home. But we want to thank you, Mr. Mayor Morrison, for being around, and together with me are General Joe Magno, retired over there, a veteran of the Mindanao campaign and the Vietnam War, together with me. We both founded the Philippine Army Special Forces outfit. This is a bunch of paratroops that started with 100 people, and now it's a whole group, maybe 2 battalions, fielded in the Philippines. And with him is his grandson, Kiko, over. He's so big that in Atlanta last night they called him also General. And with me also is my granddaughter, Jelly. Angelica, she's been here before. She's my caddy. Although my dog tag is bigger than her. And my deputy executive director, May Gapon.
Yes, Mayor.
Office in Manila. And last but not least is the author of the book, Dr. W. Scott Thompson. He's a graduate of Stanford and Oxford and Ford Motors.
For society.
For society. And we have people from the consulate. Nasa kayo? We guys that are moving us around. Okay. This area is part of the responsibility. Salamat guys.